In today's video, I'm going to teach you powerful Miro hacks and advanced techniques to save time. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with the biggest time saver: keyboard shortcuts. The goal is to stop bouncing between the mouse and the toolbar. Press V to switch to the select tool when you need to move or resize things. Tap H for the hand tool to pan across the canvas without accidentally grabbing objects. N drops a sticky note instantly, C leaves a comment on a specific item, and T creates a text box. When you need copies fast, use Ctrl or Command plus D to duplicate, or hold Alt or Option while dragging to duplicate and move in one motion. To keep elements together, group them with Ctrl or Command plus G, and when you've set up a template or background you don't want touched, use Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus L to lock or unlock it. If you find yourself creating items one by one, switch to bulk creation. Hit N for a sticky note, then click the bulk mode icon. Type your list, pressing Enter between ideas, and Miro will generate a sticky for each line. Once you've got a bunch of items, select them together and use the context menu to change colors, fonts, and sizes all at once. When things get messy, select the cluster and click the small layout icon with 4 dots to automatically arrange everything into a clean grid or stack. Frames are your structure. Think of the Frames panel in the bottom right as a table of contents. Name frames clearly so you and your teammates can jump to any section in seconds. If content spills out, right-click the frame title in the panel and choose Fit to Content to tidy it up. When it's time to present, order frames in the panel and run your talk directly from Miro instead of exporting slides. For collaboration at scale, protect what matters. Right-click important backgrounds, templates, and instructions, choose Lock, then Protected Lock so only you, as the owner, can move or unlock them. To regain focus during workshops, click your avatar at the top right and select Bring Everyone to Me to pull everyone's view to your screen. When decisions are needed, open the voting app from the vertical toolbar under More Apps for fast, anonymous voting. Finally, connect your workflow. If you use Jira or Asana, drag a Miro sticky onto a linked field to create a ticket automatically, eliminating double entry. And never start from scratch. Browse Miro's template library for frameworks like SWOT analysis, user story mapping, and agile retrospectives to save setup time and enforce best practices. Master these and you'll build faster, facilitate smoother, and stay focused on the work that matters. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.